X. This is Dibond. It has a polyethylene core sandwiched between two thin sheets of aluminum. One side is white and the other side is metallic. While Dibond is typically used to make signage, we'll be using it to create a multi-layered design. I'm using a 16th inch end mill to cut out our shapes. Dibond cuts beautifully on a ShopBot CNC machine, producing clean, crisp edges. It's also inexpensive, lightweight, rigid, and weather resistant. And obviously, it won't dull your cutting tools nearly as quickly as milling solid aluminum. Now that our 4 layers are cut out, it's time to do our glue up. And here is the final result. To wrap things up, let's add a bit of projection mapping to bring our design to life.